Anong ginagawa mo? Wherever life may lead you, with all my heart I'll be there too. From this moment on, you know, nothing comes between us, and I will love no one to love. No God, the road my question.
Alright! Tayo nga yun, yun. Ganon. Acceleration is a time rate of change of velocity. I do! Huwag ka excited. Babae, ito ang sasabihin mo sa lalaki. Speed is the time of motion. Speed is the time of motion.
Mali, tama!
Lalaki, ito ang sabihin ng babae. Distance is the length of actual path traveled by a body.
Distance is the length of actual path traveled by a body.
Okay. You may kiss the bride.
Ano mo na?
Sige ka pala. Sige, sorry. Sige.
Ten.
Ito babae.
Paano ba yun?
I wonder what you're thinking when he created you.
Okay na yan. Dito.
Ang ingay, ipi.
Ramon.
You're everything.
Ang aking pagmamahal.
Because parang mababaeng kamay. Ito katakot ang kamay eh.
You may kiss the bride.
When God made you.
Tapos na.
Dapat yung
bulaklak.